Wow, such a beautiful day. Nandyan, oh, wow. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa dagat. Yes, tingnan nyo. Ayan na siya. Hello. Where is he going? Let me just follow you. Oops. Hey, hey, don't get wet. It's gonna be in the car.
Like
tingnan nyo guys dito is napakaganda talaga dito. Tingnan nyo yung dagat ang sarap sa pandinig. Yung you hear the ocean, the waves ng ocean. Ayan. Diba? Kaya yung dagat hindi ko namimiss kasi dito is we're surrounded with ocean. Maganda siya. Pwede kayo maligo dito actually. Yeah, before nanguha kami ng crabs dito. Yeah, it's so fun. Tapos pinapakulan din namin kasi diba maliliit pa nga. Ayan, dyan. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda talaga dito. Nakaka-relax. We used to come here before. Tapos, we get so busy. Kaya hindi na kami nagpupunta masyado. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. Ang laki nitong roots ng ayan. Uy! I think some animals is eating some food here. Somebody gave them some food. Ayan siya. Tapos, may flag. Don't touch that. There's a lot of ants. Ayan siya guys, oh. Ang ganda. It's been a while actually since we came here. Ayun na naman, nakabalik. Ayan siya guys. Tapos, palibot yan is ocean. Tapos, marinig mo yung tunog ng mga sasakyan. Diba? Q, can you get the key in the car? Can you get the key in the car?
the key?
Yeah. The key in the car. Lock the car, okay. Get the key first. Yan siya. Ayun, maraming nagbo-boating. Ang ganda maligo kahit a little bit colder na pero parang ang sarap maligo. Ayan siya. This used to be very nice here. May mga playground. Yeah. Uy, ayan na yun. Did you lock it? Did you lock it? Okay. Thanks. Yan siya guys. Ayan, minsan masarap lang tingnan yung ocean, diba? Sinabi ko nga is nakaka-relax talaga. Tapos noon is nakakatuwa pag nakakita kami ng crabs dito kasi hinahabol namin. Oo, dyan lang. Hindi siya masyadong malalim. Pag dito ka malapit, dito, banda sa akin is hindi siya masyadong malalim. Tapos, pagpunta mo na dun is marami na siyang seaweeds. Ayan o. Maganda talaga pag hindi ka na nagtatrabaho. Tapos, all you do is go boating na lang. Yeah, tapos Basta province is we're in an island, tapos surrounded pa tayo ng dagat. Kaya hindi ko masyadong namimiss yung dagat doon kasi we are surrounded with ocean dito. Tapos sa other side naman is maganda din yung ano doon. Yung sun niya doon is much better nang nandito kasi dito is maraming roots ng puno. Yeah. There used to be a playground here. It's still there, but I think it's under construction right now. Ang sarap pakinggan ng tunog ng dagat. So ayan, pwede lang tayo dito. Let's just sit here and watch the beautiful view. Ayan. Nakakatuwa naman. Ayan. Diba guys? Narinig nyo ba yun? Nandito lang kami makikinig.